It's no secret that tensions between Russia and much of the Western world have risen in the past few years. Following the nation's invasion of Ukraine in 2022, airlines based in countries considered Ukraine's allies suspended non-stop services to Russia. Additionally, these countries closed their airspace to Russian aircraft, with Russia reciprocating with their own airspace bans. Now, it seems things might be changing. Russia published a press release detailing a meeting it had between some of its diplomats and their US counterparts. The negotiations, which took place in Istanbul, included Russia making a case to the United States to reopen airspace to Russian aircraft. Could this actually happen? We take a look in today's video. On Friday, February 28th, Russia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs announced it had asked the United States to open its airspace to Russian aircraft, thus allowing non-stop service between the two countries to be restored. Prior to Russia's conflict with Ukraine, the two countries were connected by a limited number of routes: Washington Dulles Moscow, New York JFK Moscow, Los Angeles Moscow, and Miami Moscow. All of these services were operated by Aeroflot, Russia's state-owned airline. The carrier's largest hub is at Moscow Sheremetyevo Airport, though the current conflict has forced the airline to re-evaluate its strategy. In the press release, Russia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs provided some details about what discussions focused on, saying, "The consultations also addressed issues related to Russian diplomatic properties in the United States, with a particular focus on the restitution of 6 premises unlawfully seized between 2016 and 2018. The necessity of achieving tangible outcomes to foster conditions conducive to improving bilateral relations in the interests of both nations was underscored. In particular, the American side was encouraged to consider the restoration of direct air service between the two countries." It's unclear how the parties will proceed and if the United States will open up its airspace to Russian aircraft. Of course, with the Trump administration being much more open to talks with Russian leader Vladimir Putin, it seems like anything is possible at this point. Of course, much of Europe continues to hold firm in their positions, backing Ukraine and opposing any concessions to Russia. Canada would also be unlikely to change its position as well, especially considering worsening relations between Ottawa and Washington over tariffs. Thus, we would imagine that even if the US were to relax its airspace restrictions, Russia's jets would have to fly rather inefficient routings to American cities, with routes similar to what we're seeing now with Russian flights to Cuba. With so many countries having imposed sanctions against Russia, the carrier has had to turn its attention to flying passengers domestically and to other parts of the world, with Southeast Asia being an area of focus. For example, from its Moscow hub alone, Aeroflot conducts 2 daily flights to Bangkok and as many as 3 daily flights to Phuket. What do you think of the possibility of the Trump administration restoring Russia's ability to have its aircraft enter US airspace? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.